provinces in Mindanao, the land of dream weavers, ang South Cotabato.
Para mas makilala pa natin ang South Cotabato, tawagin na natin si Marella Glospea Caro Huaman, our Miss Millennial South Cotabato.
Mutyan ng South Cotabato. Marilla Glospea Carahuaman, cum laude graduate of Notre Dame Marble University. Let us join her in an adventure as she welcomes us to her home as Miss Millennial South Cotabato.
Marella.
Maayong adlaw, South Cotabato at mayong adlaw buong Pilipinas. The dominant, Ilonggo is the dominant people there in the South Cotabato.
Alan Key, mamay.
Alright. Alan Kay.
1,704 kilometers away from Manila ang South Cotabato.
Sabi nga nila, mas malapit pa daw ang Hong Kong kaysa sa South
ang
Cotabato.
layo.
Gano'ng katagal ang biyahe, Marella?
Approximately 1.5 hour.
Sa plane.
Sa plane and then
same.
pa lang daw.
Tapos
Oo.
dun maglaland sa Jensen and then it's 15 minutes away from General Santos City.
Okay.
From Jensan.
Not
Opo.
bad.
Mabilis lang pala from Jensan. Ayan. So, pag pupunta kayo ng South Cotabato, ang
Dadaan
gagawin
muna
nyo,
tayo kay kay
Jensan,
Baste.
Kay Baste, oo. Bago ka mag-South Cotabato.
A while ago, we called it the land of the dream weavers, Marella. Bakit?
Land of the Dream Weavers po yung tawag sa South Cotabato because typically it is inspired by our cloth, the tinala cloth.
Yes.
Yes. Tapos yung mga tinala cloth is makikita lang at ginagawa lang po yan ng mga Tiboli tribe ng South Cotabato. So yung mga tao doon, especially yung mga Tiboli women, they are called the Dream Weavers. So the patterns were actually inspired through their dreams kasi meron po silang goddess, si Fudalo. So for example, si Fudalo po nag-appear sa dreams nyo and then she will guide you to draw or to use that pattern to
Doon
use.
nanggagaling yung
Yeah.
pattern.
So it's actually sacred and you can't put it on the floor.
Ang galing. Ganun pala yun.
At
Hindi, bakit tayo natutunan?
Opo. Tapos Land of the Dream Weavers po yung tawag din sa amin kasi yung people doon, the South Cotabateños are the people who weave their dreams into reality.
Hi, Dappercats! Welcome to the land of the Dream Weavers, the province of South Cotabato. I am Marella Glospea Carahuaman, your Miss Millennial South Cotabato 2018. Maayong adlaw mga Dappercats sa Regalita Subong sa Tupi Fruit Park sa munisipyo kung diin ginatawag nga Fruit and Flower Basket of the South. Dali, pakita ko sa inyo mga prutas diri. Isa dapat sa hindi nyo malimtan kung ari ka mo diri sa South Cotabato is ang Lake Cebu! Guys, gamoy! The crown jewel of the South, everybody!
Nagkuha kita sang kawayan ni Hilaw.
So, isa-isahon na naton ibutang ang aton nga mga lamas, pati ang native nga manok, pasulod.
The province of South Cotabato is also known as the land of the Dream Weavers because of the unique tapestry of tinalak that is patterned or designed after the dreams of the weavers. So guys, patapos na yung first masterpiece ko.
Balaan nyo ba nga ang amon nga probinsya sikat man sa flower plantation? Isa diri ang sunflowers. Balaan nyo ba nga ang mga sunflowers gatubang lang na sila kung diin ang sunrise? From the land of the Dream Weavers, I am Marella Glospea Carahuaman, your Miss Millennial South Cotabato 2018.
Yun pa talaga yung pride ng South Cotabato is we are very, very rich in culture.
At saka, very rich in fruits and flowers na ine-export na.
Opo.
Di ba?
Kasi ang ganda naman talaga.
But,
Wala
ito,
akong
but
masabi.
I can't help but ask, no, Marela. Pag sinasabi kasing Mindanao minsan, merong apprehension yung mga tao. Meron bang peace and order problem?
Yes, actually po, yung South Cotabato is really secured. And the government are really doing their best to secure the province. Bago ko kasi pumasok dun sa South Cotabato, ang higpit ng inspection. So yun, it's very safe and it's very
Kailangan-
secure.
Oh, para sa mga tourist friends natin, wala kayong dapat
Walang
ipangamba.
problema.
Nothing to worry about.
Sige, so kung bibisita kami ng South Cotabato, ano yung top 3 places na i-recommend mong bisitahin namin doon?
So first will be Lake Cebu, and then Lake Holon, at saka yung Lake Cebu Falls.
O, kwentuhan mo naman kami tungkol dun sa Lake Cebu experience mo.
How far away is that sa...
Lake Cebu is 1.5 hour in ride sa sa
1.5
Sasakyan. Yes.
hours. Okay.
At doon nyo talaga makikita yung pagka-vibrant at pagka-rich ng culture namin. So doon po makikita yung mga Tiboli people natin. So you can actually buy their souvenirs and we have them for you.
Wow.
Nice.
Sa Lake Holon naman.
Sa Lake Holon, yun po yung very adventurous, very... Woo.
Ano bang nagagawa? Yun yung
Yes!
ano.
Lake Holon.
3
Yung inside
hours
the
of
volcano.
trekking po. So,
Pero worth it naman.
yes,
Tingnan mo naman
nakakapagod.
yung-
So, kung doon na po kayo sa view deck, ang sarap.
Mahirap ba yung paakyat? Or nakakapagod lang?
Pwede sa beginners.
Both.
Both.
Both nakakapagod. First time ko yun sa Lake
so
Holon.
pwede sa beginner.
Oo. Actually, when I first saw it, I really cried. And the crew really shouted. Kasi ang ganda-ganda po talaga. Super. Super sulit.
And then Lake Cebu Falls, you mentioned.
Yes, Lake Cebu Falls are actually 7 falls, and you can see there the highest zip line in Southeast Asia.
Wow.
Southeast Asia. Wow, ganda. Ay, aura-aura
and-
ka lang doon, no?
At pagkatapos mo, Omora, marami kang prutas na pwedeng ipasalubong.
Kainin, oo.
Thank you very much,
Thank
Marela. It was nice meeting you. Dabarkads, you can also share your South Cotabato experience by posting your photos in our official page and use the hashtag MMPH. See you in South Cotabato.